Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to easily install the OBS multi-RTMP plugin. This tool is perfect that lets you stream to multiple platforms at once like YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and head over to the OBS multi-RTMP download page. So I will show you right now. Open your browser and just look for OBS multi-RTMP. Click on this specific website. Click on Go to Download. It will open a new tab for you on GitHub and simply click and download the installer exe. Now open the file location and we just simply need to run and install this application on our PC. Click on install. This might take a few seconds or under a minute. And once done, we just need to go ahead and open our OBS. Over this section, I want you to head over here, click on Docs, and then go to Multiple Output. And you can now easily resize this according to your style and preferences. Okay, and that's it. You have now successfully installed this feature in your OBS platform. I hope you found this video very helpful.